In this lesson, we will take a look at how we can draw lines accurately using relative coordinates. To begin with, I would like to draw this shape. I will begin at the lower left corner, and I will simply pick a point in space rather than specify a specific point. I begin by starting the line command and picking a point. When using the relative coordinate method, you are no longer drawing relative to 0, 0, but instead you are always going relative to the last point that you placed. When specifying the x value, it will be positive if you are moving to the right and negative if you are moving to the left. When specifying the y value, it will be positive if you are moving up and negative if you are moving down. I'm going to draw the shape in the counterclockwise direction. So for my second point, I need to go 5 to the right and 0 up or down. If I were to simply type in 5, 0, AutoCAD would go to the absolute coordinate of 5, 0, probably somewhere down here. To indicate to AutoCAD that we wish to draw with relative coordinates, we begin with the @ symbol. That's the Shift and number 2 key at your keyboard. So to go 5 to the right, I will type @5, 0, then press Enter. Next, I wish to go up 1 unit, so I'm going to go 0 left or right and up 1, so I will type @0, 1, then press Enter. Next, I'm going to go to the left 1 and up 1. So since I'm going to the left, that's going to be a negative value. I will start with @1, comma, and then a positive 1 to go up, then press Enter. Next, I want to go 1 to the left, so that will be @1, 0, since I'm going 0 up or down. This time, I want to go 1 to the left and 1 down, so both values will be negative. That gives me @1, -1, Enter. Once more, going to the left 1 is going to be @1, 0, Enter. Next, I'm going up 4, so that'll be @0 left or right, 4 to go up. Back to the left 1 will be @1, 0, Enter. And then finally, I can either use C for close, or I can go ahead and type in the coordinate value, which would be @0 left or right, -5 to go down 5. Then I'll escape to cancel the line command. So once more, using the relative coordinate method, we're drawing relative to the last point instead of the origin, and we indicate this to AutoCAD by beginning with the @ symbol. That concludes this look at drawing lines with the relative coordinate entry method.